Alrighty, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Hey Arnold Complete Series box set from Shout Factory and the Young Justice Blu-ray Complete First Season. Let's start off with the main thing here. This is a DVD set, again released by Shout Factory. All 99 Football Head adventures together on DVD for the first time. Shout Factory released like the seasons individually in 5 parts, 5 or 6, and I've seen them like ranging from $14 to $20. But today, August 19th, 2014, they released the complete collection, but it's only exclusive to Walmart for the time being. I'm assuming it's just a timed exclusive, so it should be available on Amazon and stuff. Who knows when, but yeah, for now it's exclusive to Walmart. On Walmart.com, it's currently $26.94, $26.94, but I found this in store for even cheaper for $18.96. Again, $18.96 in stores. I'm surprised it's in good condition, because most stuff at Walmart gets damaged and whatnot. But anyways, here's the spine. It's just a regular slip box, so nothing too special, not chipboard or anything. But it's definitely nice to have the entire collection in one set box, as opposed to 5 little DVD cases. It doesn't list any special features that I'm aware of, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the outside. Again, Hey Arnold, Complete Series DVD box set by Shout Factory. Now let's open it up. And I believe there's 16 discs, and they're both contained in these 2 thicker DVD box cases. Okay, and I think this is the first box. This contains discs 1 through 8. I believe that's seasons 1 through 3, but I'm not sure because I don't own the individual releases. Here's the episode listings on each disc. But yeah, I'm pretty sure these are the exact same disc in the individual releases. Seasons 1 has 4 discs. Seasons 2 has... Seasons 2 part 1... Yeah, season 2 is 4 discs. So yeah, it's the first 2 seasons in this first case. And DVD case 2. And again, episode listings. This set contains seasons 3 and 4. Unfortunately, the movie's not included, but I think it's available for cheap on Amazon anyways, so yeah, episode 13, 14, disc 15, and 16. And yeah, that's Hey Arnold, the complete series on DVD. Again, exclusive to Walmart, and it's currently available in stores. I don't know if it's available in all Walmart stores, but I found it in store for, again, $18.96 before tax. If you can't find it, it's also on Walmart.com for $26.96. Yeah, it's, again, one of my favorite childhood cartoons from Nickelodeon. I hope one day Shout Factory gets the rights to release Rugrats, because I am not a big fan of Amazon's burn-on-demand, DVD releases. So hopefully we can get an official Rugrats, DVD release one day. Moving on is Young Justice. I think it's part of the WB Archive collection or whatever it's called, and I think it's only available on the WB shop and Amazon.com. Again, this is the first season. Hopefully, they actually release the second season, because I am still angry that they haven't released the Justice League Unlimited Blu-ray sets yet. Hopefully, if they get to the second season of Young Justice, they'll release Justice League Unlimited on Blu-ray. Anyways, this came out on, I think, last Tuesday, but it took a while for Amazon to ship it out. Yeah, again, this is the first season of Young Justice on Blu-ray. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.